Hi, everybody from Marine Science. This is Mrs. Wild. I'm just making this short video to explain what's going on in class. So, looking ahead at the rest of the semester, there really isn't any new marine science content in the course. This course was kind of set up for you to complete and learn about the second semester anyway, to learn about research in marine science and engage in your own, which doesn't work real well in Wisconsin and also in kind of our virtual environment. So I'm not like a big fan of that. So while you're going to continue to work on your research on your specific marine organism, we are going to use some extra material. I'm going to be dropping like the rest of the assignments and lessons and just creating my own lessons so that you can focus on some new information, some new marine content. The best site I found to use was this marinebio.org, and I'm just going to kind of show you how to use it. So we're specifically looking at the tab Marine Life, and we're going to go down to these different subcategories. So in the lessons, and I do have per unit like a little lesson outline for you, you'll have specific like content that is assigned. So for example, if I go back here to, let's see, Unit 6, Lesson 1, the topic is marine ecology and structures and adaptations. And what it wants, or what I want you to read for this, is the main marine ecology page as well as the structures and adaptations subpage. So let me show you how that works. So you'll go to Marine Life, you're going to go down to Marine Ecology and just click on that. You'll be responsible for reading on this page about what is marine ecology. They do have some videos and stuff that kind of like support it, but the reading is really what you want to focus on. And they've got other links and things like that. Don't get distracted with those, okay? The reading isn't very large, not very long. Just kind of gives you some information. And pretty much we're done at the end of that part of your reading. And the other part that you need to do is, again, under marine ecology, but I want you to go all the way down to structures and adaptations. And you're going to read this section. Now, we didn't do the other sections in this part because you actually did cover that content elsewhere within the marine science curriculum, okay? And then, so that's kind of how you use it. So unit lesson 2, for example, let's see where we are there. You will do forests of the seas, the main page, then diatoms and dinoflagellates. And again, when you do that, you're going to go to forests of the seas, do the main page, and then come back and do the diatoms page and the dinoflagellates page, okay? So that's kind of giving you a gist of how the reading is going to work. You'll have a short quiz for each reading. Think of it like a little bit bigger than a quick check, but not super large. You can go back and reread and stuff if you need to for that part, okay? At the very end of the unit, I will give you a test. I think it's a good idea. I know you don't probably, but you only ever have a midterm and a final, so this is going to help to kind of cushion those as well so that you don't have to be so stressed about your final exam. It won't be worth quite as much as weighted as heavily because of that, okay? That's pretty much it. I'm keeping it pretty simple. Like I said, this is a nice free site for us to use and it provides pretty good information. I just wanted you to get some more information about specific things, stuff about the oceans and life within the oceans. And we'll probably be doing a little adapting to the first part of this semester as well for next year, but this was the first year that we taught it, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys had some more content to learn about and really delve into what I hope is one of your interests. Let me know if you have any questions and enjoy the rest of the semester.